In Goa, the department has organized paper registration cum FSSAI license scheme on Goa State Consumer Rights Day 2024, as our controller has already informed you, on 25th June 2024, and successfully registered 673 self-help groups as manufacturers and packers. The department works jealously in the state to protect consumer rights. As crusaders of consumer protection rights, the Department of Legal Metrology enforces consumer-friendly laws in the state and empowers consumers through awareness programs. So, in a bid to bolster consumer confidence, the Department of Legal Metrology regularly verifies over thousands of weights and measures used in various sectors. Our department is working with the pharmaceutical industries, petroleum, manufacturing, agricultural, precious metals, stores, mining, retail, etc. This department also registers manufacturer, packers, importers of packaged commodities as per the LM Act and rules. Registration as a manufacturer or packer importer is important in order to ensure consumers that whatever they are receiving with accurate net weights and complete label information, which enable our consumers to make value comparisons. The importer registration certificates become a mandatory document, as custom clearance is not given to any imported packaged commodities unless the importer registration certification, which is also issued by the Department of Legal Metrology. This is done to ensure that all imported packages are in compliance with our LM rules applicable in our country.
आत्मनिर्भर भारताचे विजनाक धरून आमचे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान स्वयंपूर्ण गोंयांत सुरू केलें आनी ताजे एकच इनिशिएटीव आशिल्लो आमच्या ऑनरेबल सीएमाचो की प्रत्येक गव्हर्मेंटाची स्किमी प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटाचे स्किमी आनी सगळे कितें एक्टिविटीज आसा त्यो इवन लास्ट पर्सना फुड्यान पावच्यो, ताजो फायदो कितें जाता तो इवन गोंयच्या प्रत्येक सेक्टरान खंयच्या प्रत्येक मनशा पर्यंत पावचो. हाका लागून ऑनरेबल सीएमान एज पर स्वयंपूर्ण गोवा 2.0 खूब वेबिनार घेतले. प्रत्येक तुमकां खबर आसा एग्रीकल्चरचे घेतले, एड्युकेशनाचे घेतले, स्कील डेव्हलपमेंटाचे घेतले. तशेंच हे फावटी ऑनरेबल सीएमान आमकां चान्स दिला लिगल मेट्रोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटान. तुमकां खबर असेल की 25 जून 2024 ऑन द स्टेट कंज्युमर रायट डे आमी एक व्हडलो प्रोग्राम केल्लो हांगा सांकळी रवींद्र भवनान. थंय आमी पॅकर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन आमी एक अरावंड 673 पॅकर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन इश्यू केल्ली सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाक. पॅकर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन तुमकां खबर आसतलें, पॅकर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन म्हणजे प्रत्येक गोष्ट जी पॅक जाता, पॅक जाता इंडस्ट्रीन करूं, कंपनीन करूं, जावं सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपान करूं, एक वुमन इंटरप्रेनरान करूं, जावं एक स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीन करूं, सगळे पॅकर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन आसा तांकां एक रजिस्ट्रेशन पॅकर रजिस्ट्रेशन जाय पडटा जेन द गुड्स आर बीन पॅक्ड. तुमकां ताजें डेफिनेशनूय दिल्लें. पॅकेज म्हणल्यार कितें तें पॅकेज म्हणल्यार गोस्ट इन द एबसेंस ऑफ कंज्युमर पॅक जाता. सो कंज्युमराक रायट आसता ताजेर कितें बरयलें, कोणी पॅक केल्या, कितें पॅक केलां, केन्ना पॅक केलां, कितलें पॅक केलां, आनी फाल्यां सकाळीं कंप्लेन बी कितें जालें जाल्यार ताजेर कितें हें जातलें, कंप्लेन बी जाल्यार कोणा कडेन करपाचें. हाका लागून ते सगळे रिक्वायरमेंट लिगली कितें जाय पडटा ते पॅकर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन हाजेर ताका लागून पॅकर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन जाय पडटा. ताका आमी 673 सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपान तेन्ना आमी ऑन द स्पॉट the same day we had issued them the packers registration.
Is going to be chaired by our Honorable CM, and this is at 9:30 a.m. webinar with all the Swayampoon Sevaks. The Swayampoon Mitras, you know about their work. They are working tirelessly to galvanize Goans for this program, and the department humbly requests all the panchayat and municipalities in the state to gather micro entrepreneurs, self-help groups, startup traders who can benefit from this webinar. Through this press conference, the department also appealed to all the manufacturers, packers, importers of packaged commodities, small business owners, traders who are interested in attending the webinar to contact their respective Swayampoon Mitras for the link to join the webinar tomorrow. These initiatives like help achieve saturation in registering to us which is in line with the Honorable Chief Minister's vision to achieve 100% saturation across all the government schemes initiative in the state of Goa. Let us all work hand in hand to bring this vision Swampun Goa to the life. And for any type of grievances or queries, you can reach to us on our quick response number. This number is 940-330-1977. I want to repeat this number, 940